Hi boys and girls, I'm back with you to try a fun science experiment. Today we're going to make giraffe skin. Yes, giraffe skin. So let me tell you what we're going to need and then I'll explain this to you. You're going to need a sheet from paper towel roll, your water and your watercolor paints and your paintbrush. And what we're going to do is show how spots get on to a giraffe by spreading and making a unique pattern. Remember, we learned that giraffes have spots like no other giraffe in the world. It's the same as your fingerprint. Nobody has the same fingerprint as you. Everybody's unique. So let's look at how this is going to work. It's called a capillary action experiment. Can you say that? Capillary action. That means that liquids, which is the water in our experiment, flow in narrow or small spaces. So when we wet our paint and we dab it on our paper towel, it's going to spread out and expand, and then we can make our giraffe skin. All right, so I'm going to first start with giraffe colors like oranges and browns and yellows. And I'm going to make sure that I really get my paint wet. That's going to be important in this working. So I'm going to, let's do this. Hold it like this for you. And I'll get my paintbrush really wet and I'll start with my orange. See how this works, and you should see it expand. See how it's growing? Okay, let's try another spot of orange. That's spreading. Try another one. Remember, you have to get it really wet. Cool. Let's try some more orange. Every time I put it on there, it grows even more. See that? Try some yellow. Okay, let's try some brown. I'm gonna get my brown really wet first though. What do you think, boys and girls? Isn't that fun? I hope you try it, and if you do, you can put it on Seesaw. Maybe you want to make yours look realistic and use colors like I use to look like a real giraffe. Or maybe you want to try something really fun and use like purples and reds and greens to try the capillary action experiment. Remember, that means that liquids flow in narrow spaces. All right, boys and girls, I'll be back with you for a Haggerty lesson.